So many people have been complaining, especially ladies, they have been complaining that when men go to a Kinyozi, they spend 5 hours and it's just only shaving. So today we want to know what is it that you guys are always doing there that makes you to stay there for 5 hours and yet it's only shaving. We need to know that. Actually, the committee sent me and they need answers.
Okay, so you have it. So when you go to a Kinyozi and they shave you, so after they've shaved you, you have to make sure that after you've shaved, you have to help the barber to sweep the floor, and you then start discussing a few words about how life is going.
Now, we know that is a lie, and you're lying on my face, but we will come and
Ask
do a
the
research.
comments, ask the guys, they'll tell you the same.
Guys in the comment section, please tell us what do you do in the Kinyozi that makes you to stay there for 5 hours. We need to know, as the ladies, we need to know, because it's all, I think it's according to the constitution that we set as the ladies, it's only us who are allowed to stay in the salon for 5 hours, because our hair takes a lot of time to be prepared, to be braided. So for you, we don't understand the excuse that you're giving us. It's just shaving. So why?
For us, we are supposed to be generous, right? So you just don't shave and then you leave your hair on the ground. You're supposed to help the barber and then encourage the barber to continue doing their work, their great work.
Anyway, that is a lie. But
and then the ladies that are giving massages at the Kinyozi, you start maybe tell them a few words
about the Bible,
about the word of God, and how they should go to church on Sunday. Yeah, that's it.
Anyway, we move on regardless, but we will find out very soon.
I don't think so. Okay, so guys, welcome to Biz Talk. Here we talk about business, how to start any business, and we give you tips that are going to make sure that your business is a success. My name is Patrick. So we're going to give you guys, if maybe you are planning to start a Kinyozi business, what you should do to make sure that your Kinyozi business is a success and you are ahead of your competitors. And the first thing is to make sure that you're offering excellent customer service. Yeah, for example, the first excellent customer service you can do is maybe talking to your customers, maybe asking them how they are. After shaving, maybe give them a massage. Yeah, with those ladies that we talked about.
If they have a video, we need a hot chick.
Yes.
Do the massage.
Yeah, so that's one of the excellent service that you can offer. Maybe setting a TV in the Kinyozi so that not just a customer doesn't just come and leave.
Oh.
Yeah.
So I think when you're talking about customers, I think that when you provide excellent customer service, that is the reason why most of you prefer to stay there. And so because you're getting massage, so you find yourself you just want to be there for a longer time, and you find yourself you're being loyal. So I think when you provide excellent customer service, you find that most people are loyal to your business and they want to be coming frequently. Yeah,
you don't just want to go to a Kinyozi and it's boring and
totally.
no music, no nothing, no massage.
Yeah.
The second one that we're going to be discussing is that you have to have good communication. And good communication doesn't just apply to you and your customer, also applies to you with your employees. How are you communicating with your employees? You have to make sure that whatever you're communicating is understood clearly.
And I think when you talk about communication, it's about how you address the people around you. And when you're talking about the people around you, you're talking about the customers and your workers. So imagine you're going to a Kinyozi, and the person who is the owner, the Kinyozi owner, is really being rude to the owner, to the employees. So the customer will be like, this guy now, I don't think I'll be coming back, because if he can treat his clients, his workers like that, what about us? What about me? If I go out, definitely that person will be trashing me. They're saying how horrible my hair is, or how my kipara starts from here. You see? So communication will really have a great impact in your business.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And the third one that we're going to talk about is that you have to embrace current technology. So, for example, let's say these days a kid maybe say a certain hairstyle that is trending, and then they will tell their dad, I want to go to the Kinyozi and get this hairstyle. And then they come to your Kinyozi and you only know how to shave Jordan.
A mohawk.
And a mohawk only. And then they come to your Kinyozi and tell, yeah, I want this certain hairstyle. And you're like, yeah, no, that one,
And you know, it is
nobody
not
can do that.
It is not in our generation.
Yeah, this is from abroad.
Yeah, no, this is demon.
Yeah,
this is demonic.
Yes, it's not about you to know if it's demonic. Your work is to give a shit.
Yeah, you know, if you're actually having those rules, actually people are very, don't want someone who is old-fashioned.
Yeah.
Let me call it old-fashioned, but assuming that maybe if it's me who was going to get that Kinyozi, or that I was going to get shaved, and then maybe I want a specific, maybe I want my hair to part in this way, and then I go and someone's telling me, you're not good, look good at you.
Yeah.
Your head is shaped in
What is wrong with you?
Yeah, your head is shaped in a certain way. You should have this. I will not come back.
Yeah, and
no, I will not come back.
You should just ask yourself one
Yeah.
question: what was the main reason you started the business? To get money.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the only reason.
But we are not saying that it's not good to give advice. Yeah, you can give advice, but always remember, the client is always calling.
Yeah, exactly. So you have to make sure that, just make sure that you're meeting their needs. You're not meeting your needs.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
you don't. You know, there's people who actually who start Kinyozi because they had an idea of, I want to do this specific hairstyle.
Yeah.
Now they'll be convincing you should do this one, and it's because they want to do. They want you to be the dummy so that they can try it.
And then, or you start telling people that the hairstyle is maybe demonic.
Yeah.
Just be a pastor. Yeah.
Just be a
Yeah. Maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because you started the business to make money. If
Yeah.
you're getting money shaving people a certain way,
Yeah, totally.
if they are demonic, you'll not become a demon yourself. You just shave them and
Or maybe you see when it
and
comes
pray
to,
for them at night.
Yes, go and pray for them and
Yeah.
say, Jesus, I present my customer.
Yeah.
Change his ways.
You know.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, and the fourth one that we're going to be talking about is cleanliness.
Yeah. It's cleanliness is second to godliness.
Exactly. So let's say you have a Kinyozi and a customer comes and you're stepping on buckets and on dirty hair of people.
Actually, let me tell you the worst thing. Have you ever, like, imagine someone, you're going to get a Kinyozi and the towel was supposed to be white, but now it is brown. And that the Kinyozi person actually wants to place it in your head. Tell me, will you? I will run away.
Yeah,
I swear to God, I will not come.
Yeah.
So cleanliness is very essential.
Very essential. A customer don't want to come.
Yeah.
A customer don't want to come to your business and then they are seeing towels that from last month that are still there, they are not washed, and maybe hair that
everywhere, buckets
everywhere,
of water that you used to clean in the morning, it's still there.
Still there, yeah. So looks bad.
It's very bad.
Yeah. So make sure you are clean. The third,
The fifth.
actually the last one.
Oh, the last one.
The last one, guys, that we're going to be talking about is marketing.
Marketing.
Yeah. So let's say you start up your business in a certain location. Maybe people from around will know that you have a business.
Yeah.
But maybe, let's say someone maybe they're coming for a holiday and they want a business. So they'll search online, which is the best Kinyozi near me.
Yeah.
And they'll find your Kinyozi. And a lot of people are looking for any information they need, they're just going online. So you have to make sure that your online presence is...
It's very good.
Yeah, it's very good.
Yeah, so that means that someone actually, if you have a business, it is mandatory for you to have an online presence, because your customers are on TikTok, your customers are Instagram, Facebook. You can never know who is looking actually.
Yeah.
And one tip about marketing is you never know who is on the other side. So do your marketing, just post something, put it on your status, and then maybe someone will refer their friend to you because they saw something.
Yeah. And for marketing, I'd say, let's say your marketing actually doubles your clients, because when you're not marketing, you're just getting the clients that get to see your business.
Yeah.
But for someone who maybe don't know you have a business and they get online and see your business, you're actually getting more clients when you're marketing.
Totally.
Yeah. So that is it, guys. Those are the 5 tips that you should make sure that you implement in your Kinyozi business, and these tips will make your Kinyozi successful. Yeah. So.
And yeah, before we forget, if you are interested, this is for the people who are interested in maybe doing Kinyozi or practicing Kinyozi, or maybe starting a Kinyozi business, we actually offer the training on how to start a Kinyozi. We also offer training on how the different, you see like the way there are some people who are actually good at shaving, and you wonder like where did they learn this?
Yeah.
We offer these courses at Winstock University. We have about you are interested, visit our website at www.christopheruniversity.com, or you can call us at 0703313722, or email us at info@finstockuniversity.college, and we will be able to guide you on how to apply for the course. And we are offering, our courses are actually very, very affordable.
And you do it within a short period of time. And a lot of people will ask, maybe they are scared to start a business because maybe they've seen someone start a business and they failed. So today we are going to tell you why they failed. It's because they didn't do their research, they didn't take courses, they just went
and started
the business to see if it will work.
Trial and error.
And the answer was error. So make sure that yours is not an error. So just take a month to invest maybe in a course and know what you're going to be doing in your Kinyozi business, because you are there for a long time.
And this is some of these tips that we're giving you. These are some of the things you'll be taught in detail. For us, we're just brushing over, but the person who is going to take you over that course will give you in details, will show you the right steps, and explain you in details on how you do these things.
So it's up to you. Do you want your business to be a success?
Or an error?
So you know the answer. So that is it, guys. Make sure at the end of the video you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hit on the notification button so that every time we release a new video,
you can be notified.
Until next time.
Goodbye.